Hi everyone, welcome back to PK Mentor. Did you know you can fully customize your WooCommerce thank you page using Elementor and WoodMart? By default, WooCommerce does not let you edit this page easily, but WoodMart layout builder it just drag and drop. In this video, I will show you how to create a professional thank you page to boost customer experience. So here is the option in theme settings, show thank you page. Here is the option default thank you page content. When you disable it, the default WooCommerce thank you page content will not show. Here is the option extra content for thank you page. You can choose the content in the form of text and HTML block. Here I want to disable the default thank you page and want to add the text form. Here I have added some custom text, and if I refresh the page, here you can see the HTML text is showing. Here you can see the extra content for thank you page is showing. So I have enabled the default thank you page content that is coming with the WooCommerce plugin. So here you can create the layout. Go to layouts, click on the add new button. Here you can select the layout type thank you page. So here enter the layout name, custom layout for thank you page. Here is the predefined layouts that comes with WoodMart. Click on create new layout button, and here you can see, here you can edit the layout in Elementor page builder. This is the default WooCommerce layout. This is the custom passage. These are the hooks available in the thank you page. You can add or remove the hooks to customize the thank you page. Here you can see the order detail hooks, and this is the WooCommerce hooks. You can add your own custom content for this. This is the payment method, and these are the WooCommerce hooks. Here you can see the hooks are available. So here is the hooks for thank you page. If you want to add some custom content, you can use the default elements. For example, I want to add some custom heading, and this is the custom heading I want to add in the thank you page. You can fully disable it and make professional thank you page with branding. And here I want to add some social icon in the thank you page for better user experience. Also you can add products in the thank you page. You can add the product grid or carousel widgets in the thank you page and choose the data source. You can show bestseller product in thank you page to boost customer experience. Then I refresh the layout. Here you can see the custom heading is showing, and the social icons showing, and the products are showing. In this way you can fully customize the thank you page with Elementor. Thank you for watching.